You may have thought I flew down south for the winter, but I'm gonna be entering the 64-bit Legends Rumble, flying in a V shape all the way down to the ring. So I hope you have your ducks in a row, because this bird will regurgitate the competition to all my lovely chickadees!
Hey, Byrdz!
Oh my god! That was such a wild dream! It was like a half man, half bird doing like bird stuff. Who would have thought of that? That's crazy. Somebody's out there doing bird stuff? Good thing it was just a dream, right?